Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best blacksmith hammers. Starting at number 5. Stanley FatMax. Specially designed to be comfortable during long smithing sessions, the Stanley FatMax blacksmith hammer has a traditional New England design pattern head. This small-sized hammer is ergonomically constructed to minimize harmful vibrations while pounding on a hard metal surface. One unique feature of this hammer is the head construction. Most other hammers are constructed with a steel billet attached to a handle. This is a flaw in the design as the head could come off the handle and cause an accident. The Stanley FatMax hammer features a one-piece rim temper construction. This means the handle and head are forged together, ensuring that the poundings are uninterrupted events if they go on for hours. Additionally, you can also get extra comfort due to its rubber-covered handle. This one-piece construction makes the item very strong and durable. Besides, its rim temper reduces any type of chipping or spalling that occurs with its competitors all the time. Designed for maximum comfort and durability, the Stanley hammer features the anti-vibe technology, which neutralizes harmful vibrations affecting the user's hands, arms, elbows, and wrists. When you are smithing for an extended period, the vibrations take a toll on your hands. With such a great ergonomic design and a bit of technique in use, the hammer can go a long way towards keeping your body safe. With a perfect steel construction, this robust hammer is very durable and is a great tool perfect for any novice blacksmith. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. At number 4. Tekton 32. This multi-purpose brass hammer is actually a mallet that is characterized by its large head. It has a very large rectangular cross-section compared to regular hammers. You can never go wrong with a brass hammer because it yields more consistency. With a brass hammerhead like this, you can deliver a sure strike on your projects without the fear of sparking or damaging its surface. This solid brass head hammer is soft and malleable enough not to chip while striking, and is also able to put more energy onto the workpiece by controlling any rebound. Tekton's handle is made of high-strength fiberglass wrapped with a tough and impact-absorbing poly jacket. It also has a soft rubber grip that gives sure control and won't slip away when you're working. With these covering the handle, the hammer will prevent all damages caused by missed strikes. You can also use this fiberglass brass hammer without the risk of cracking something. Even after months of working, you might only find some light indents, which is to be expected, of course. Halfway of my listed number 3. Picard Hammer. Made of solid high-carbon steel head, this Picard riveting hammer looks like a work of art. Extremely high quality, as well as beautiful construction, made this a must-have item on our list. The Picard is the perfect sheet metal hammer. With a head weight of 661 pounds, it can shape steel greater than its size. Its comfy handle is covered with a nice rubbery grip, making it entirely anti-slippery. Besides, this rubber also does an amazing job of minimizing vibrations while in use. The face of the head has already been rounded. So, you won't need to dress it like the other hammers. This nifty feature saves you some extra bucks. Just take the hammer out of the package and start pounding away. Picard's head is also attached to the handle quite tightly. The average-sized handle length is easy to be used by all people, including inexperienced users. Coming in at number 2. Gopless 5-piece. Isn't it awesome when you get multiple tools while paying for only one? And when those tools are of the best quality, it becomes an icing on the cake. If you are involved in delicate but heavy-duty jobs that involve striking, shaping, or bending metal and wooden objects, then this item is the perfect pick for you. All the hammerheads are made with polished steel with perfect weight and balance to be used without any muscle strains. Perfect for hammering or forging any kind of metal, the Gopless hammer set also has handles made out of fiberglass shaft and rubber. One of the items in this set is a rubber mallet. It comes in handy when you are working with softer metals, timber, or tiles. It doesn't make much noise and is great if you don't want to scratch the surface of a project. And for construction or demolition projects, there is nothing better than a sledgehammer. It pounds right through the heaviest metals and concrete surfaces. It has an incredible 3 pounds weight too. Because of the rubber handle, you can now have a stronger grip on the hammer and hit harder than before. This also makes the hammer less slippery so that it doesn't slip through your hands and hurt somebody. Its shock-absorbing quality also dampens the shock made while striking it on a heavy object. And number 1. Tekton 631,255 piece. Each of the hammers features a shock-absorbing fiberglass handle with textured cushion grips. The shock-absorbing feature protects you against harmful vibrations, and the rubber grip keeps the hammer from flying off your hands. There are 2 ball-peen hammers of 2 different sizes. You can use these hammers to strike the chisels and shape and bend the metals. The bigger 32 ounces ball-peen one can be used for punching and shaping heavier unhardened metals, while the 16 ounces one is for lighter unhardened metal. A sledgehammer can draw mammoth-sized metals quite easily. Because of its size and huge weight, this one is used by professionals on heavy-duty metal works. A mallet doesn't make much sound when you pound with it. This item is mainly used on valuable surfaces you don't want to get ruined. They also make very low thudding noises so that your neighbors aren't disturbed much. And the last of them is the 3 pounds cross-peen hammer that you'd want for heavy-duty metal fabrications. A cross-peen hammer becomes highly valuable when you want a heavy-duty metal fabrication and demolition job. This awesome combination of fiberglass handles and varying hammerheads makes this set a perfect tool for pounding any object for any specific purposes. However, one thing to keep in mind is that this fiberglass handle won't hold out for long under very high temperatures for an extended period of time. For more information and latest price, check out the product links in description underneath the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below